Welcome to Acha Dekhe Acha Sune. My name is Siddhant Begani, and I'm going to tell you a bit about my journey and the problems that I faced and how I overcame them. So at this moment, I'm going to go to the University of Southern California in America, in the United States of America. And over there, the course that I'm going to do is computer science with business administration. So for the preparation of this university, I changed my school in grade 10 and I went to Bangalore to study for my 11th and 12th grade. So both these years were really stressful, if I have to be honest. There was a lot of work to be done. I had to prepare my university applications, and amongst all this stress, there's one thing that's most important. It's for you to pursue your hobbies. So me as a person, I love playing football, I love watching football, and I love listening to music. So every time there was stress, I played some football so that I had a stress buster and I could carry on with my life and I could carry on with my studies. And another important thing is you have to be dedicated, you need to be focused, you need to know what you have to do, because any grade, maybe even if it's kindergarten, grade 1, grade 5 or grade 10, it's really important to be focused, otherwise you lose direction, you lose track of what has to be done. So the most important thing is for you to meditate maybe every day in the morning or do anything of that sort, just so that you know what your goals for the day are and so that you know what to do in that day, in that year, and you have a clear sense of direction in that way. So to tell you a bit about my course, the course that I'm going to follow is computer science with business administration. So this course will be for 4 years. I've already been preparing for this course according to the subjects that I took in grade 11 and 12. I took mathematics, I took economics, I took business, and now I'll be carrying on with these subjects, but I'll be taking computer science as well. In the current age, when everyone's using their mobile, when this video is being taken through a camera, a mobile or maybe a laptop, and everyone's going to watch this video in the same medium, it's very important for people to know how to use the computer and to make different programs and to make the most out of these programs. Therefore, I think computer science is a very important subject, and therefore I'm going to be pursuing it in the next 4 years, making programs for not only people for our age, but for people who are elder to us, people who are younger to us. Can be a revolutionizing process, and I think everyone should be a part of it. And studying computer science and mastering it may be one way to do so. And business administration, because it's very important to sell what you have, so to make it accessible for everyone to use what you made. It's not only enough to make something new, but it's also important for you to share that with everyone so that everyone can benefit from this. Therefore, I'll be studying business administration as well. This way, I'll not only make programs through computer science, but I'll be able to help everyone else through these programs. And I know in the 4 years to come, there are going to be really, many problems. There's going to be a lot of stress. There's going to be a lot of peer pressure, such as the vices that are going to be there in the country. But again, as I said, we have to be focused. You have to be determined. You need to know what you have to do, and that way I think all the problems will be solved. I know what's wrong for me, I know what's right for me, and that's what everyone should know as well. Once they know that, I think their goal becomes very clear and they can pursue what they want to. So thank you for watching this video. Please like it if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Acha Sune, Acha Dekhe.
If you want any useful information or suggestion related to family, social, physical, religious, cultural, mental, ideological, scientific, economic and business level, then you do subscribe our PCT's YouTube channel Acha Dekhe Acha Sune.